If you want to write text in Tinkercad, the fastest way is to use the dedicated text shape from the Basic Shapes library. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add text, type your words, and customize the look of your letters so they fit your design perfectly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Tinkercad project and make sure you're on the blue workplane. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Basic Shapes panel. Scroll down through the shapes until you find the red text object. This is the tool Tinkercad uses for writing words, names, labels, and custom messages. Now click and drag the text shape onto your workplane. You can place it anywhere you want, and once it's on the canvas, Tinkercad will automatically show the Shape Inspector in the top right corner. This is where you can edit your text and style settings. Inside the Shape Inspector, click the box that says Text. Delete the default text and type in whatever you want to write. You can enter a name, a title, a label, or any custom word or phrase for your design. As soon as you type it, the text on the workplane updates right away. Next, you can change the font style. In the Shape Inspector, look for the Font drop-down menu. Tinkercad gives you 4 standard fonts to choose from, so you can pick the one that best matches your project. If you want something clean and simple, choose a standard font. If you want a more playful or decorative look, try one of the other options and see how it changes the design. After that, you can adjust the height of the text. Use the white handle on top of the letters to make the text thicker or thinner. Pull it upward if you want deeper, stronger letters for cutting or printing. Push it down if you want a slimmer, flatter look. This is especially useful if you're preparing text for a 3D print, because the thickness can affect how readable and durable the final result will be. Another useful setting is the Bevel bar. This lets you round off the edges of your letters so they look smoother and more professional. If you slide the bevel to increase it, the corners become softer and the text gets a more polished finish. If you want sharp, clean edges, keep the bevel low or at 0. This is a great option when you want your lettering to look more stylish in a keychain, sign, nameplate, or decorative model. Once you've typed your text and adjusted the style, you can move, resize, and position it just like any other Tinkercad shape. You can combine it with other objects, align it to a surface, or raise it up for extrusion and printing. The text tool works great for labels, personalized gifts, school projects, and custom 3D models. So that's how to write in Tinkercad using the text shape. Change the font, adjust the height, and fine-tune the bevel for a better look. It's quick, simple, and one of the most useful features in the Basic Shapes library. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Tinkercad tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.